everyone, this is Fiza. I hope you all are good. So today I am going to do an experiment. The name of this experiment is balloon on candle flame. We need two balloons and one candle. One balloon you have to fill up of air, and second balloon you have to fill up of water. So let's get started. First I am going to blow a candle. Now take this balloon. This balloon is filled up of air. I'm put here and see what happens. See, it burst. Now I'm again blow a candle. Now I'm taking other balloon. This balloon is fill up with water, and I'm put here and see what happens. See, this balloon is not burst. See? It is happened because water has the tendency very quickly absorb heat, and it is not allowed to rubber to get heat. So it is a reason to not burst. So that's all about today's experiment.